Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Amira is practicing to participate in an upcoming marathon. She runs 9 km every day. So what is the total distance she covered in the month of March? Now first of all we know that number of days in the month of March is equal to 31 and Amira runs every day, that is 9 km. So, if we have to find the distance travelled by Amira in 31 days, which is the month of March, so this is equal to 31 multiplied by 9 km by unitary method. So, if we simplify it or multiply it, we will get the distance as 279 km. So, the distance travelled by Amira in 31 days or in the month of March is 279 km and this is our answer.